In this video, I'll show you how to standardize workflows with bundles in Asana. Bundles in Asana are useful when your team wants to create consistency across multiple projects. Instead of building the same setup over and over again, bundles allow you to reuse important workflow elements so your projects follow the same structure from the start. To get started, open a project that already has the workflow you want to repeat. This project should include the structure and setup that your team considers the standard version. For example, it might already contain sections, custom fields, rules, and templates that support a repeatable process. Once you have a project like that, go to the customization area and look for the bundles option. The goal here is to turn that well-built project setup into something reusable. Give the bundle a clear name so your teammates can understand exactly when and why to use it. For example, you might create one bundle for client onboarding, one for marketing production, and another for internal approvals. After creating the bundle, you can apply it to other projects that need to follow the same process. This saves a lot of time because you no longer have to rebuild the same workflow manually. More importantly, it improves consistency. When all similar projects use the same structure, it becomes easier for teammates to navigate them, easier for managers to review them, and easier to spot problems early. Bundles are especially helpful for teams that handle repeatable workflows. If the same kind of work happens again and again, such as campaign planning, content creation, support processes, or onboarding, bundles can help ensure that every project begins with the same reliable setup. They are also useful over time, not just at the beginning. As your workflow improves, you can update the standard and continue using that stronger process in future projects. That means bundles are not only a time-saving tool, but also a way to maintain quality and alignment across your team. That's how to standardize workflows with bundles in Asana. Create a bundle from a strong project setup, apply it across similar projects, and use it to keep your workflow consistent and scalable. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.